my main goals for the first quarter of the new year is declutter / organization. I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek into the chaos that is my house, because I've had several of you comment and say that my house doesn't look cluttered. It always looks tidy. And I guess it's just like the magic of YouTube. You guys don't see the mess, but we're gonna bear it all today and show you the mess. So this is my laundry room, which is really just a hallway between my kitchen, which is a gigantic mess, and my bedroom, which is behind this door. So it's just this open hallway. I have a door, like a emergency exit back door here. We live in a mobile home in a mobile home park, so we have a tiny little lot that we rent. My neighbor is like directly next door. We don't even use this door. It's just like an emergency exit. And this is the laundry space that I have. So it's literally in a hallway. There's no door to close. In terms of actual like laundry organization, I'm going to show you guys this because I know you won't judge me. This directly in front of our emergency exit is a laundry sorter, which in an emergency is going to block the door, so it's not the greatest situation. But I don't have anywhere else to put it, you guys. My house is small, and I mean, it's on wheels. If there was really an emergency, we could push it out of the way and get out the door, so don't worry about that. But and yes, these clothes, by the way, are on top of the laundry sorter, not in them. That's something that we also need to work on. But this is a chaotic mess. So I have half a shelf here. The reason that it's done like this is because we used to have the washer and dryer that's stacked. So the washer and dryer were here, stacked. We had the shelf here, and then we had my deep freezer here. When we got the new machines, I really wanted the top loader so that I could soak things and do like my laundry stripping and whatnot. So we moved the deep freezer elsewhere. It's actually in my living room, which again is not great organization, but that's the only place I have to put it. Someday I'll have a big fancy house. Maybe. Someday I'll have more space, okay? For now, we're just working with what we got. It was better than putting the freezer in front of our emergency exit, which was our other option. Anyways, so I have this for organization, which is a mess. There's stuff up there that's not supposed to be up there. Like this is the flowers I carried when my husband and I got married, and the champagne bottle that we drank from. Why it's up here, I don't know. It just got stuck there one day and never came down. I have my cleaning supplies and things, but there's also like nail polish remover that doesn't go up there. There's a walkie-talkie that doesn't go there. So this all needs to be taken down, cleaned, and organized. I also have this laundry cart, which is a phenomenal system. My heat just kicked out and my furnace is directly behind me, so I apologize for that. You guys, it's cold here in Southeast Michigan today. The cart itself works fine, and I have it relatively organized. It was more organized when I first did this, you guys, but you know, life happens. It fits perfectly right here between the washer and dryer, and then I have just a trash can that sits here for empty detergent bottles and lint and whatnot. And on my cart, I just have all our basic laundry stuff. So our detergents, I've got powdered Tide here, Persil, which is my favorite liquid detergent. I really like Tide pods as well, but we don't currently have those in stock. Some dryer sheets, a little garment bag, my favorite fabric softener, which I know is terrible, you're not supposed to use, but I can't help it, I love it so much. And then I have more cleaning products here, or laundry products. So I have my dryer balls, my oxygen cleaner that's like OxyClean from the Dollar Tree. There's some cleaning wipes and things here. This is where I keep my laundry pods. I guess I do have a few there. And then down here there's like stain treaters, Biz, vinegar, that sort of thing, and more like at-home dry cleaning stuff and some bleach and stuff down here, as well as some more machine cleaner. So this is relatively organized, but this is like the most organized thing in my home, you guys. The rest of my house is a hot mess. Stuff constantly accumulates on top of the machine. It's just crazy. So this room is on my list of decluttering and organizing. It also needs to be painted. Like, I have a ton of honeydew projects for my husband, but you know, he works so much. It'll get done when it gets done. You guys know I have half finished projects all over my home. But so this is one area that I really want to tackle in the new year. Maybe we'll do it together. Let me know what you guys think about organization videos in 2021. The other area that I have to show you guys is my food storage. So let me take you there. Alright you guys, so now we are in my kitchen, and I don't know if you guys can even see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. Look at how greasy this is. This needs to be deep cleaned. Like, I put in the white cabinets and I love them, but they get so dirty. Look, you can see here too, so dirty. So I need to do a deep clean, but the real issue here is the lack of organization. So I don't have a pantry. I have this cabinet that's above my countertop that we just jam everything into. So I'm gonna do an inventory at some point, take stock of what we have here, and I want to eat through a lot of this before I do any major grocery shopping. Like, January is going to be the pantry clean out for sure. You can see I have some elements of organization here, but for the most part it's just chaos. I have food stored here. This is where I have my dishes, and it's a mess. My kids put away dishes and they just throw stuff up there. I also have food above the fridge here, which again is just jammed in wherever it'll fit. Like, at one point I had all of this with a system of organization and it's just fallen apart. And so I need to tackle this desperately in 2021. Also, here above my coffee maker, I have my tea cabinet, which definitely needs some work. Obviously, it's not just tea, it's tea, coffee, and cocoa and whatnot, but there's that. And then there's food stuffed up here. Like, I don't have a true pantry, so food just gets shoved in wherever. So I need to figure that out. I love what we have done with our kitchen. I have a whole kitchen tour video that I posted in Vlogmas of 2019, I believe, when we first did all of our like remodeling and whatnot. We kind of reinvented our kitchen. I'm not going to show it to you now because it's a crazy hot mess. That'll be a separate video when we tackle cleaning everything. I gotta do a deep clean of my kitchen, like Go Clean Co style, so I'll do a video on that. But the organization is a whole other project. Like, you guys, you always tell me how organized I am. It's a farce. I'm organized in terms of like my planner and my budgeting, but my house is in chaos. And then the other area that is just ridiculous. If there is a flat surface in my house, we will stack it full of junk. This is ridiculous. The shelves all need to be completely emptied out. I need to declutter a lot of this stuff, organize it. I don't have a linen closet, so I have this bookshelf here and stuff just gets thrown up there. Like, why is there a sock with my bath towels? It's a mess. So reorganization and deep cleaning this house are first quarter goals for me. I hope that you guys will come along with me as I tackle this project because it's going to be a lot of work. If you have tips or suggestions on ways to organize small spaces or how to manage without proper storage, like we don't have a pantry, we don't have a linen closet, like we don't really have closets in this house. So I have a lot that I'm up against. You guys can see I keep all of my like tools and stuff back here for cleaning, my vacuums, my mops. This works out okay. Like, if this system that I have here in my back hallway was all cleaned and organized, I wouldn't be so upset about it. It's not an ideal situation, but it will function if I just make it work for me. So I need to tackle this. I hope you guys will come along with me. My house is in chaos. 2021 is the year. and I say this every year, but 2021 is the year that I'm going to tackle this chaotic mess.